Hi my YouTube family. Es video main Latken banane ka tarika sekhi guy. 2.5 inches from both sides. Take a chalk, draw a leaf. Draw properly, straw to end. Take a scissor and cut. You can see in my video. Make other petals. Make beautiful leaf. Take 2 leaf and stitch together. Stitch from edges. Now straighten it out. A beautiful petal is ready to go. You can see what I am doing. It with story. Hand stitching. Stitch it with needle. And sew. Place it in good shape. Take another leaf and sew with it. And now stitch one by one all petals. Thirteen or 14 petals are enough. In the last, take another petal and cover the last part of the dory. Little bit video is missing, sorry about that. Sorry, the covering part is missing. Stitch, stitch, stitch and stitch. Now second part is just one leaf. Draw and cut the leaf. Same measurements. Draw and cut. Draw with slide machine the petals detailing. You can see in my video. Here's the final look. Please subscribe my channel. Like and comment on it. Please support me. I hope you may like my videos. Allah Hafiz.